Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain new topic continuity and derivatives of chapter 5 of 12th class. Before clear the concept of continuity, we have to go through what is limit. So that today we discuss on the topic limits. So consider a function fx equal to x square minus 9 by x minus 3 where x is not equal to 3. This is the condition of the given function. For x is equal to 3, what you get? If you put 3 in place of x, we get 3 square minus 9 by 3 minus 3. That means 0 by 0 form. This form is new for you, and this is known as indeterminate form. Before this form we know that something by 0, that means it is infinity, but this is the new form, 0 by 0 form. So a curiosity come into our mind, so still we are interested, that is function is not defined at x equal to 3. इसका मतलब होता है कि फंक्शन x इक्वल टू 3 के लिए डिफाइंड नहीं होता. आप x के प्लेस में 3 के एक्सेप्ट और जो भी वैल्यू, व्हाट यू गेट द वैल्यू, यू गेट ए मीनिंगफुल रिजल्ट ऑफ fx is equal to x square minus 9 by x minus 3. So that means that is function is not defined at x equal to 3. But a question come to the mind that what is the value of the function when the value of x is just nearer to 3. इसमें से हमें पता चला कि x के वैल्यू 3 के लिए फंक्शन डिफाइंड नहीं है, एंड दिस 0 by 0 फॉर्म इज नोन एज इनडिटर्मिनेट फॉर्म. तो अब समथिंग कम टू द माइंड दैट इफ द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज नियरर टू 3. नियरर टू 3 मीन्स हमें लेफ्ट साइड्स में भी नियरर हो सकता है, राइट साइड्स में भी नियरर हो सकता है. द होल नंबर नियरर टू 3 आर nearer to 3 are 2, and in the right side it is 4. But just the value nearer to 3 are. So now consider a table here. Now consider a table. Look at here. Here is a table. We just some nearer value from left side and some also right side. Here suppose I take the value of x as 2.97, 2.98, 2.99. Similarly, from right side we take 3.03, 3.02, 3.01. So just for the simplicity, for easy calculation, we take fx is equal to x square minus 9 by x minus 3. So simplify it. X square minus 9, it is x plus 3 into x minus 3 by x minus 3. So x minus 3 कैंसिल हो गया, ओनली x plus 3. अब आपका क्वेश्चन है कि सर हमें तो पहले इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर देना चाहिए था. देन वी गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ, इफ वी पुट x इज इक्वल टू 3 वी गेट इट इज 6. बट बेटे हमें लिमिट के बारे में पता करना है. वी हैव टू get what is the definition of limit, what is limit. So that is why for the easy calculation I calculate it, simplify it, and we get fx is equal to x plus 3. So now put x is equal to 2.97. what you get? 5.97 means you put here 2.97, we get 5.97, 2.98. If you take the value of x as 2.98, it is 5.98. If you take the value of x is equal to 2.99, it is 5.99. And if you take 3 here, we get 6. We get 6. If you put the value of x in x plus 3, but if we put the value of x here as 3, we get 0 by 0 फॉर्म. सो इसीलिए हमें यहाँ पर 0 by 0 फॉर्म लिखना पड़ेगा, बट इजी कैलकुलेशन के लिए हमें 6 लिखना पड़ेगा. सिमिलरली कम यदि हमें 3 का राइट साइड में जाते हैं और नियर और क्लोज करते हैं तो वी टेक 3 वैल्यूज हियर x 3.01, 3.02, 3.33 and we get 6.01, 6.02, 6.03. Actually, if we convert these as rational number, what you get? It is 597 by 100, 598 by 100, 599 by 100. Similarly, 601 by 100, 602 by 100, 603 by 100, and this value 5.97, 5.98, 5.99, just close to 6. Similarly, 6.01, 6.02, 6.03, also close to 6. So what you get? Now come to the definition of limit. If x approaches 3 from left hand side, as x approaches 3 from left hand side, then fx approach 6. Look at here, if x approach 3 from left hand side means हमें x का वैल्यू 2.97 लेते हैं तो 5.97 आ जाता है. If we take the value of x as 2.98, we get 5.98. If you take the value of x as 2.99, we get 5.99. And if we take the value of x as 3, we get 6. So that is why we conclude here that as x approaches 3 from left hand side, then fx approach 6. So symbolically we write as x tends, this meaning is tends to means nearer to, as x tends to 3 minus, यानी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से हमें 3 की तरफ जब हमें प्रोसीडिंग करेंगे, then fx also tends to 6, right? So mathematically we write as limit x tends to 3 minus fx is equal to 6, called as left hand limit. Again I am repeating the same things. Limit x tends to 3 minus fx is equal to 6, called as left hand limit. So this approach is known as informal approach. ये जो अप्रोच होता है यानी x का वैल्यू लेफ्ट साइड से 3 की तरफ अप्रोच करता है, तो जैसे ही 3 की तरफ अप्रोच करता है, लास्ट में जब हम x का वैल्यू 3 लेते हैं वो क्या हो जाता है? 6 होता है. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ अप्रोच इज नोन एज इनफॉर्मल अप्रोच. सिमिलरली एज x अप्रोच 3 फ्रॉम RHS, लुक एट हियर, जैसे ही x का वैल्यू हमें पहले 3.3 लेते हैं, 03 लेते हैं, सो द वैल्यू ऑफ fx इज इक्वल टू 6.03. व्हेन यू टेक x इज इक्वल टू 3.02, fx becomes 6.02. Similarly, when x is 3.01, the value of fx is 6.01. Now when it will be 3, then it is 6. So as x approach 3 from RHS, then fx approaches 6. So as x tends to 3 plus, fx approach to 6. So limit x tends to 3 plus fx is equal to 6, known as right hand limit. So now from here we conclude that limit x tends to 3 minus fx is equal to 6, called left hand limit, and limit x tends to 3 plus fx is equal to 6 is known as right hand limit. So that means limit means approaching value, approach.